Hey guys, I've had some updates on my Nerf collection over the days. I haven't been that interested in Nerf for a while. Well, I have been. There's a movie going on in the background, so yeah. But I've had some updates, and today I'm going to be shooting off all those updates, but not including this, because this one I do not have the right darts for. It isn't even Nerf. It is Air Warriors. So, yeah, it's nice, big, and cool. I have my Nerf Ultra, but that one we're not going to be firing because it doesn't work. Because we bought it from the Sketchy store for a really good deal. This one, I dropped and it broke. And the magazine absolutely shattered, so my dad had to buy a new mag. So today we're not going to be, yes guys, this is the Great Demolisher 2-in-1. Well, can we just get rest in peace Demolisher 2-in-1? Because look, this is the button that activates the motor. The motor doesn't activate anymore. It can't even shoot. And this one, there's a Nerf Rival one down there. I sadly lost the magazine for that one.
That is the best way to help your dad.
But yeah, let's start. Let's turn the light on in here. Hey guys, see me? I'm right here. Let me see where your guys' point of view is going. Let's do that. There, that's better. So let's start off with the Nerf Cyclone, the Nerf Mega Cyclone Shock. As you all know, the Nerf Mega guns are very hard, but let's get into firing this thing. If you hear a whistle, there's holes in the bullets that make that whistle. Oh, I haven't even loaded it. There we go. Here we go. Oh, did you hear that whistle though? Now, we have the Nerf and Strike Elite. Maverick Rev 6. It's broken, but I can still shoot it. Well, actually, it isn't broken. Yeah, it's very... Whoa, a giant bird just killed someone in the movie. Big dinosaur bird thing. Now we got the Nerf Rival XX 800. It's a cool shotgun. Added a little Nerf like grenade launcher or something attachment. Yeah, this thing can pack a punch. Yeah, that is the XX 800. A pistol. It doesn't shoot. Please don't demonetize me, YouTube, for having a gun in my video. Because I can! But yeah, we have the Hailfire, boys! Yay! This will be our replacement to the Demolisher 2-in-1. So yeah! Let's stand right here so you guys can see me. Let's shoot it! Let's fire off the yellow magazine. Except it's a yellow magazine, I put all yellow bolts in it. Ah, Dad! Don't want to shoot my dad, guys. So yeah, don't want to shoot my dad.
It's okay sometimes.
Hit my boot. My Nerf shelf, guys. It's literally a shelf full of extra magazines and Nerf darts. Oh yes, there is my secret Nerf gun that I hide in here. Let's shoot this one off. Nerf gun. Roblox, dude. get it cocked, guys. Cocked up and ready to fire. Let's do this. Take the dart out from here. Boom. The bird's eating a person. Yay! That'll mostly be all that. And that is my Nerf collection of all the Nerf guns I could find. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want me to make. Get me to.
And we gotta stop the bleeding too.
250 subs. 250 subs if you want to see me cleaning up this mess. Look at all these darts.
I want to see that mess just get cleaned up.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put her in the head.
My dad's a weirdo.
I hate messes.
Yeah, like you hate Trump?
Seriously? Grounded until Trump's president again?
Like he will be.
Maybe.
It's possible, but yeah. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to leave a like. If you want to see a video of me picking up this mess and reloading all my guns again, get me to 150 subscribers. Well, 200. Peace.
Yeah, we think she can walk.